Are you struggling with an error while trying to upload your app to iTunes Connect? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the frustrating issue of the iTunes Store operation failing due to a bundle identifier problem. I completely understand how annoying it can be when you're ready to launch your app and a technical error stands in your way. Many developers face this issue, and it can feel like a roadblock just when you're about to cross the finish line. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user recently encountered the error message: iTunes Store operation failed. No suitable application records were found. Verify your bundle identifier org.cocoapods.almafire is correct. This happened while trying to upload a binary using Xcode 8.3, and they had multiple CocoaPods in their project. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what does this error mean? Essentially, it indicates that the bundle identifier for the CocoaPod is not recognized by iTunes Connect. This can happen for various reasons, including incorrect naming or registration issues. But don't worry, we will walk through the solutions step by step. And stick around. I have a quick fix at the end that could save you a lot of time and hassle when dealing with similar issues in the future. To begin resolving the issue, the user should verify the bundle identifier in their Xcode project settings. This is crucial because the bundle identifier must match the one registered in iTunes Connect. Next, the user should ensure that the bundle identifier for each CocoaPod is correctly set. This can be done by checking the pod spec files for each pod, especially Alamofire. After verifying the identifiers, the user should clean the build folder in Xcode. This helps to remove any cached data that might be causing issues during the upload process. Finally, the user should attempt to upload the binary again. If the issue persists, they may need to check their iTunes Connect account for any discrepancies or additional requirements. Fun fact: did you know that the first version of iTunes was released in 2001? It has come a long way since then, but errors like these can still trip us up. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution shared by another user involves a few straightforward steps. First, visit the iTunes Connect site. Next, navigate to My Apps. Then click the plus sign to create a new app and fill in all the required fields. After completing these steps, try uploading your app again. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user suggests deintegrating your pods and then reinstalling them. This can help resolve the bundle identifier issue. To do this, run the command pod deintegrate, followed by pod setup, and finally pod install. After that, create an archive and upload it to iTunes Connect. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution shared by another user is quite simple. They found that restarting their computer resolved the issue for them. Here's a quick tip. Always ensure your bundle identifiers are unique and properly registered in iTunes Connect. This simple step can save you from a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the bundle identifier issue and successfully upload your app. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and remember to keep your identifiers in check.